Hello everyone and welcome. Today is a special day because this is my first video. I've shared a couple of shorts before, but now I want to dive into something detailed. If you enjoy creative design, smooth animations, front-end engineering and engaging user experiences, you can subscribe to me and follow me to learn those animations and interactions. So let's get started. So, have you ever landed on a website and immediately felt like, oh, this is different? That's the power of animations and interactions. Today, I'm going to show you this smooth card scroll stacking card animation that is not only grabs attention but also makes every scroll count. So, I have created a simple React project and made some setup and make this reusable component. This component takes up the full page and accepts a title. You can see the Tailwind classes, which is automatically centered on the screen. So this is the component where we'll be creating our animations. I've already prepared some of the setup for you. The card structure is in place. I've added some basic styling using Tailwind CSS. If you want to check it out, the code or follow along, I'll leave the GitHub link in the description below. So as you can see, this is the structure I have created. No scroll animations, nothing. So let's get started. Here we'll be targeting this using ref and using container, a variable container. So as you can see, the card is not stacking, it's just animating on its. We want this to stack, so create a sticky top. So that's the smooth scroll stacking card animation. Pretty cool, right? It's one of those small touches that makes a huge difference in how your design is experienced. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me as I'm just starting my YouTube journey. And don't forget to subscribe.